Today I'm going to take us through the Operations web app. This video is going to be about the project execution data sheet. So you'll go to the web page and then you will log in with your username, which will be your Grainger username, everything before the @ symbol, and your password, which for everyone right now is Grainger 2018, all lowercase. Then you're going to want to click Remember Me so that you'd never have to log into this again. Click Login. And it'll bring you to the operational summary, which is your home page. And I will come back to this in the operations report training. So to create a project execution data sheet, you're going to click on Active Projects over here in the menu. Then you'll click on the Project Execution Data Sheet button up in the top corner. You'll choose your project from the drop-down, and then you'll fill in all the rest of the details. When you're ready, you'll click Save and Add Milestones. Next, you're going to add your project milestones. So you'll start out with your mobilization date. Then you'll click on Save Mobilization Date. And then you'll enter in the rest of your milestones. You'll add a description and a date, and then you'll click Save and Add Another Milestone. Once you're done and you're ready to set your substantial completion date, you'll click Save and Set Substantial Completion Date. Then you'll fill in that date and click Save and Finish. And it'll show you all of the milestones that you entered for your project. Next, we'll go in and we will fill out our critical pre-install meetings. So you'll enter the description and then enter the date, just like we did before for the milestones, and you'll click Set New Pre-Install Meeting. You can add as many pre-install meetings as you need. Once you're finished with both your milestones and your pre-install meetings, you'll click Finished at the bottom. It'll bring you to your project's landing page. To go and view your project execution data sheet, you'll click back on Active Projects. So you'll go down and you can click here on the data sheet to view everything that you just submitted. To go back, you'll click on Back to Project Execution Plans. To upload your project execution PowerPoint, you'll click on this Upload button. Then you'll click Choose File. You'll choose your PowerPoint file, click Open, and then hit Save PowerPoint. The page will update with your PowerPoint, which you can download by clicking on this icon right here, or you can delete it. To go back to the Active Projects page, you'll click on Back to Active Projects. Now, if you go to your data sheet, you can see that the project execution PowerPoint was added to it. So you'll go back, and that should be it. Next, I'll take you through the training for the monthly operations report.